If you're getting an X or Twitter sign-in error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step, so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. This is especially useful if you keep seeing a login error, a password problem, a failed sign-in message, or X just refuses to load properly on your browser. Before we begin, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, because it really helps the channel and it tells me to keep making videos like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing to check is whether the problem is actually on X's side. Sometimes the platform has an outage, maintenance issue, or login disruption, and if that's happening, no amount of clicking around on your device will fix it. Open a new tab and search for a service status site, like Down Detector, then look up X or Twitter. If you see a spike in reports or widespread complaints, that likely means the servers are having issues. In that case, the best thing you can do is wait a little while and try again later. If the servers are up, then the issue is probably on your browser or device. So move on to the next step. Now let's clear your browser data and cookies, because corrupted cache is one of the most common reasons X sign-in breaks. If you're using Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. Go into Settings, then find Privacy and Security, and open Clear Browsing Data. Make sure the time range is set to all time, so you're removing everything that could be causing the issue. Then check cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Once those options are selected, click Clear Data and wait for the process to finish. After that, close your browser completely and open it again before trying to sign into X. If you want a quick test before clearing everything, you can also try using an Incognito or private window. This lets you open X with a clean session and bypass old cookies temporarily. If X works in private mode, that's a strong sign the problem is related to stored browser data. In that case, clearing the cache and cookies usually solves it. Next, disable any ad blockers, VPNs, or privacy extensions that might be interfering with the login process. These tools can block scripts or authentication requests that X needs in order to sign you in properly. If you have an ad blocker installed, click the puzzle piece icon in the top right of your browser, then open Manage Extensions. Turn off any extension that could affect pages, tracking, scripts, or login behavior. Also, make sure any VPN or proxy is turned off while you're trying to access your account. After disabling those tools, refresh X and try signing in again. If you're still getting the same error, the next step is to reset your password. Sometimes repeated failed login attempts trigger a temporary security lock, and X may reject the sign-in even if you think your details are correct. Go to the official X login page. Click Forgot Password and enter your username, email address, or phone number. Then follow the verification steps sent to your email or phone. Create a new password and use that to sign in again. This is the safest way to recover access instead of guessing passwords over and over, which can make the issue worse. If none of those fixes work, try a different browser or even a different device. This helps you figure out whether the issue is tied to your current browser setup. For example, if you're using Chrome, try Firefox, Safari, or Edge instead. If X signs in normally on another browser, then the problem is probably something specific to your original browser, such as an extension, cookie issue, or privacy setting. At this point, you should be able to narrow down the cause of the X sign-in error. Most of the time, one of these steps fixes it: checking for outages, clearing browser data, disabling extensions and VPNs, resetting your password, or switching browsers. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.